No matter how successful or confident a leader may be, there are likely to be areas for development and behaviours that limit their career progress or ability to truly excel. These blind spots can manifest in any area of leadership. Really, it just depends on the leader and the nature of the negative behavioural traits. Do any of these sound familiar? When making decisions, you are a ready, aim, fire or analysis paralysis decision maker. Well, this could be hampering your ability to make effective decisions with the right amount of information and in the right amount of time. You avoid accountability or abdicate responsibility. Not only does this affect your performance, it also affects your employees who will mimic your behaviour and fail to take ownership for their own contributions to the organisational goals. A high-performing executive makes specific, measurable results a priority and holds their staff accountable. Your team often seems confused about what is expected of them. Could this be down to your lack of clarity when communicating with them, rather than plain bad attitude on their part? Even the best leaders can have potential blind spots. It's how you choose to address these that will make you a high-performance executive that achieves ever so much more.